Hi everyone, let me introduce you to Bloom. But what is Bloom exactly? We did some research and found out that young people have a hard time saving, whether it's because they don't have the knowledge to do it or because they don't have the discipline to keep saving. So we were thinking, what would be a way to make saving easier and more fun? Here comes Bloom. Bloom is an educational platform that lets students learn about their saving and get rewarded while doing it. The platform will have trivia questions where students can play against each other and answer trivia questions, and the winner gets rewarded points. Students can also save points by reaching goals and objectives, and the points will be added to their pool. When they decide they have enough points, students will be able to redeem the points to buy real stuff. For example, they can buy school supplies, books, calculators, and pens, pencils, and all of that stuff. Here we show you a wireframe of what the app could look like. On the first screen, you have the presentation page. The students can there see their global situation from their checking accounts, savings accounts, MasterCard, student loans. All their financial accounts will be linked to the first page. Then, on the journey page, students will be able to set goals and see where they are towards reaching the goal. Then, on the third screen, people are going to be able to select another player to play the trivia question game with. And then they're going to compete against each other by answering financial questions, such as this one, and they're going to learn about about savings while having fun and playing against. They're going to be able to get points, and they're going to be able to use these points on the last page, which is the page for the rewards. Here we highlighted some of the categories that could be incorporated in the reward section: books, pens and pencil, miscellaneous softwares, anything that a student needs to have a good student journey. How do we plan to do it? We first thought about the idea on the first week of the Formathon. Now, today, we're pitching our first draft. Then, starting next week, we plan on doing validation surveys to see what we can do to make our idea better and what students really need to help them achieve their financial goals. After that, we're going to start building the prototype and optimize our model so that the points are based off a good scaling point grid, and in that way, the rewards are going to be awarded through a meaningful way. Once we get the prototype, we want to pitch to university co-ops to start having partners, because our plan would not work if the points cannot buy real products. Once we have at least one co-op partner, we plan on launching the beta. What are some hurdles that can happen along the way? First, we need access to data from financial institutions, and we need also to be able to cover the cost of using that data. Also, partnerships are a vital part of our plan. We need at least one co-op that accepts to work with us, because if we don't have that, then our points will not have a value. And we think that the points that can be rewarded through real products is the key for participation from the students. And lastly, since it is a game platform, we need to constantly evolve and have new features on our game so that students keep playing and they don't get bored after a few days. Those are the biggest hurdles that we have so far. So let's make saving fun again. Thank you for watching.